Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to install and set up Opendental Action Automation for workflow in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, refresh, head down to the custom page, click on the custom page, and the interface of the app is going to pop up where you're going to have all the necessary features such as the documentation. We have the smart queue video and another video that is going to walk you through on how to complete your app setup. We have the setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Head to the account online, click on the API developer setup, and you head down to authorization and you copy the authorization key here. Head back to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Then you click on the complete setup. There you go, your app has been successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the changelog feature. You're going to see all the new updates and changes concerning the app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. We have our support team which is available 24/7 to give you more guides and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.